Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new video. As we have started Microsoft Excel tutorial series and we have started learning about 100 plus Excel formulas in our part 3. So in our previous two part we have discussed about basic Excel and now we are discussing about Excel formula. So in this lesson, in our lesson 16 and part 8, we are going to discuss about today, now, time, hour, minute and second formula. How we'll use that formula in Excel properly. So let's start. And before starting, if you're new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you get every update every first. So let's start. First of all, we'll open our Excel file. So that is our Excel file. So here we'll use today, now, time, hour, minute and second formula. So first of all, I will just show you that how we'll use now formula. Actually, what is the meaning of now formula? The now formula represent that it will give you the certain date and time. It will give you the certain date and time. So now formula just work for it. So simply click enter. Press enter, then write here NOW now, then bracket. Okay, now again bracket, then enter. Just see here, it's giving us 8/3/2020 21:01 here 9:01 PM. So it's giving us that time. Okay, so this is our now time, the recent time it's giving us. Now here I'll show you about in later I will show you about time. So here first of all, after now formula, I will show you about today's today formula. So I will just use today formula, simply equal to, then TODY today, then bracket, then again bracket, then enter. So just see here, the today formula represent only date. Okay, today formula represent only it's represent that day time, that day date, and now formula represent the date with a specific time. Okay, now how will after I will use time formula later. Now first of all, I will show you about how for our formula. So how actually our formula work. Suppose here we have a date with time. Now how we'll use our formula? Simply just our formula work for find out hour, find out, it will find out the hour for that date. Okay, so simply press equal to, then ISO your hour, then bracket, then it's telling us serial number. So this is the serial number, bracket, enter. Just see here, it's giving us 21. This is the international time scale 21. That means 9:03 PM. Okay, 9 o'clock 03 minute PM. So it's representing that 21. Then we'll find out the minute. Okay, so to find out minute, similarly we'll just simply click equal to, then MINUTE minute, bracket, then it's telling us serial number. Simply click here for serial number. Just it's giving us 3. So it's 21:03. That's why it's giving us 03. Right, now we'll go for second. So from here, actually what was the when we have selected that time as a now time, it will give that second. So simply click equal to, then SECOND second, then bracket. After that, it's telling us serial number, give that serial number, bracket, then enter. So it's giving us hour 21, or minute 4 and second as 6. Right, so we have completed that. Now how we'll actually use time formula? To use time formula, simply click equal to, then time, bracket, then it's telling us about hour. Okay, so we'll select our box, this is hour, then comma, then minute. This is our minute box from minute, then it's telling us about second, so this is second, then bracket. Just see here, it's giving us 905. Okay, actually this time are matching with that time. Okay, every time when we have doing new work, then it's changing with that. So suppose again if we come here, okay, then again enter, just see here the time second have changed. So in that way every time hour changes. Also if we again double click here, then just simply delete that, enter. So it's not showing anything, actually it's showing default. Then in equal to now now, then bracket, again bracket, then enter. Just see here, it's showing us 48. So like that way just we can use our that wall formula. Okay, we can use our all formula. Actually that formula is something important for some important purpose. And in our previous video I have also discussed about 6 time related, time and date related formula, that how we'll use that formula. And here totally I have discussed about 12 time and date related formula, that how we'll use that formula to improve our work and to improve our work purpose. So again if I click enter, then see here it's 6 minute 6 and second 25. So actually in that way we can use our that 6 formula. And also in our previous 15 video I have already discussed about many formulas, many basic related topic, and also many tips and tricks. I have discussed about 25 tips and tricks that will improve your Excel very good. And if you're civil engineer, also if you are a civil engineer, then from the channel you can get huge benefit, because here we have discussed about civil engineering basic knowledge, then also we have discussed about civil engineering software tutorials, and also we provide the guideline that how we'll download and install software for our working purpose and for our education purpose. So if you think that is helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. And if you're new to our channel, then like our video, share our video, and also leave a comment, because your own comment inspires us for the next work. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video. In next I will again come with another new video about Excel. So thank you very much.